Hello, geometry explorers. Imagine casting a shadow of a teapot onto a flat wall. The shadow is two-dimensional, but the teapot is three-dimensional. Because you look only at the flat shadow, the depth is gone. Therefore, you cannot reconstruct the original teapot from that shadow alone because information was permanently lost. Similarly, this is the essence of a non-invertible matrix. Remember how we used matrices to stretch and rotate space? However, some matrices do something far more extreme. Instead of stretching the plane, they squish the entire grid down into a single line. Consequently, every point on our flat grid is compressed onto this line. Now, let us trace what happens to individual points. If multiple different input arrows all land on the exact same output point, we have a major problem. Specifically, if we only see the final destination point, how can we know which arrow we started with? Indeed, we cannot, because the original state is permanently lost. To identify these destructive transformations, we use a tool called the determinant. Specifically, when the determinant of a matrix is exactly 0, it means the area has been crushed. Consequently, we call this a singular or non-invertible matrix. Let us scale this up to 3 dimensions. Imagine a matrix acting on a 3-dimensional grid. If the matrix has a determinant of 0, it might squish our cube into a flat 2-dimensional plane. As a result, the volume of our cube is now exactly 0. To measure this collapse, we use the concept of rank. Essentially, rank tells us the number of dimensions remaining after the transformation. For instance, if a 3-dimensional space collapses to a plane, its rank is 2. Similarly, if it collapses to a line, its rank is 1. This intentional collapse is incredibly useful in data science. When we have thousands of data dimensions, we use non-invertible matrices to project them down. Consequently, we throw away the noise to see the core patterns. But remember, this compression is a one-way street. Once the teapot is a shadow, you can never run the process backward. Consequently, the inverse matrix simply does not exist. This is our terminal insight. A non-invertible matrix is not a mathematical error, but a spatial trash compactor. When the determinant is 0, the rank drops, and space permanently collapses into a lower dimension. Ultimately, the shadow cannot become the original object again. You now understand that a matrix is not just a grid of numbers, but a physical transformation of space. Some matrices stretch space, some rotate it, and some permanently flatten it. Next, we will explore how changing our perspective can make these transformations much simpler. Subscribe. Next, we explore the change of basis.